What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in like 11 months. I got an explanation for this. So the way I was recording, which is the way like on Twitch, I would screen record on my phone because I had no capture card. That stopped working because the audio would be bugged and it would be a lot farther than the actual like visual itself. So I couldn't post. I tried like 5 times before that and or after that, and it still didn't work.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real
Pause,
big.
bro. Pause.
So many friends, and even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen, and you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt.
Kind of looks like Pennywise, like the face. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of does, like on the when he opens his mouth for the light.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles.
How's my neck?
Half trained, half Giga Spider from hell. We've been planning his demise for some time now.
If Giga Chad Charles shows up, that's his new name, Giga Chad Charles.
Have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet.
I gotta say,
places to see.
Charles
Simple errand,
did
you know.
did
Yes,
skip like
sir.
that, bro.
Welcome to Aranerum, the island where miners dig their own graves. Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
Bro, cursor. Oh, shoot, my bad, chat. What is he? Oh, dang, go to those farms. Ooh, you got that fitted shirt on too, bro. How tall are you, like 6'3"? Sheesh.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill.
Bet.
One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there.
Giga Chad Charles got his work in, bro. I swear he skipped leg day. On my mama, he skipped leg day.
If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey. Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
Bet. Bro, what? How are you so fast? Oh, I completely forgot about this part. Stay close, huh? Bro, you're running as fast as you can. Let me catch up. Got that. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I'm better. Ooh. And I'm pretty sure there's a key up here. Let's just go get that real quick because I'm bored. I've seen the first like bit of the game, but I haven't really watched more than that. Give me that. We got a key. Oh, what's up? When did you get on here, bro?
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact.
For bro.
That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use.
If my grandpa was like this, my grandpa ain't like that, bro.
We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming.
Nah, bro.
Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
In my new whip, in my new whip, in my new whip. Let's go, homie.
Yeah, baby!
True.
We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear
Oh,
that?
shoot, bet.
It's him!
What's up, Charles?
It's him! Get the gun!
Shot Eugene in the head.
Light him up! Careful! Don't let the gun overheat!
I'm not about
taking enough damage!
Oh, shoot. I'm shooting Eugene. I just shot Eugene, bro. Where am I going? Oh, shoot. Okay, let me get off. Eugene! This ain't even a railing, bro. What is...
This isn't how things were supposed to end.
Yeah, bro. Your knee's crooked. Your ankle's crooked.
Yes.
Your elbow's crooked.
Easy in,
Your jawline crooked. Oh, shoot, my
easy
bad.
out. You don't need to do more than I thought, but I don't have
Nice work.
to explain.
Oh, the eggs. I forgot about that.
Find my son.
Shoot, top 10 saddest moments on my channel, bro. How am I gonna tell his son, bro? Is that like a learning? What's this, my homie? Oh, that's crazy. What's up, bro?
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about.
For real.
We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament with Charles and that madman Walker. You know, that old train of yours will need some major upgrades if you want to take down Charles.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to stop you there. This lightning makes it so I can barely hear you, bro. You're gonna have to speak up.
There are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve it.
Bro, thank you.
Here's the key to the barn. It's just up a path.
This guy's a
but
real
I'll
one,
mark it
though.
on your map anyway.
This guy's a real one. So I saw a shed back here. I want to see what's in it. If Charles wanted to, bro, he can easily get in here. Just give me my money. More. Boom. Way over here. No, okay. Hit me, bro. Where are we going next? So we got this person up here. Then we got person on the deck. We're gonna go there first. Train. Watch me cook. Oh, shoot. What's in here? Oh, scrap. Let me in. What you doing? Bro, what is this position? Yeah, give me all these scrap. Okay, what's up? What do you need?
I need my pickles!
And her name is the Pickle Lady? Bro. That is wild. Let me check something in a sec. Really? Really? That's crazy, bro. What is
I
this?
ate the last jar of pickles I had in my house, and there's only one jar of pickles left on the island. My secret jar of pickles, locked away inside my pickle cave.
She down bad for pickles.
I would have gotten them hours ago, but I lost my pickle cave.
Of course you did.
Someone else on the island might have some locked pickles. I mean, lockpicks.
Yeah, trick
And if
yourself
you
like
can
I
bring
did.
me my special jar of pickles, I'll give you all the scrap metal I have as a reward.
What, you have two? Right before Charles came out, bro. Well, right before Charles came out, I bet you she bought like 10 cans of pickles. Plus, since there's a whole gosh thing of inflation right now, 50 scrap per pickle. No, not jar. Per pickle. Ooh. We gotta prepare that. We want speed though. We want speed. What's up, broski? Ooh. He got that nice mustache. He a businessman. I respect that.
My goodness, the others actually convinced someone to come help us.
Never mind. I don't like you anymore. Your voice is weird.
I'm so glad you came. but I simply cannot stay any longer. This island is too much for my nerves to handle.
Wimp.
I've brought all my belongings here so I can leave immediately when a boat arrives. Although now that I think about it, I did forget my journal at home. Could you bring it to me?
That's probably a lighthouse or something.
It's a dangerous journey for sure, but you might manage with that train of yours.
Nothing's dangerous with me. I'm Omega Alpha.
I'll give you all the
I regret
stuff
saying
I
that, bro.
have. Just please, bring the journal next time you're here.
Alright, I got you, bro. Dab me up. Oh my, wait. Why is everyone so freaking tall about? Okay, yeah. No, 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 I fell off. I fell off, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. How do I get back on? Holy cow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Is that him? I saw red. Is that Mr. Choo Choo Charles himself? Ooh, I saw light. Now I'm kind of scared to get off. He's gonna grab me. He's scared of me, bro. Oh, wait. Go back. What's up, Brody? Ooh, Shawty, what's up? Oh, you got oh, shoot, my bad.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you.
True.
There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train. Here's the key. And as a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help.
Yeah, for a service.
Anyone not wearing a mask, that is. Check out the balcony and take whatever you can use. Good luck with everything.
This girl and the one with the beard is the better people, bro, I swear. Because they didn't make me do crap for scrap. That's why they're real ones. And everyone else is bozos. Oh, he's here. He tries to show up when I'm defenseless, huh? Trying to show up when I'm defenseless? Where you at, fool? I'll grab my scrap right now. 1 second. Ow. I can hear him. He's right there. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on, Charles. Let's fight. Come here, Charles. Let's go, Charles. Let's go, Charles. Oh shoot! I let my gun overheat. Charles. Oh no. Oh shoot. Here. Can't get over, Charles. Flip you. Keep it like a butt cheek. Oh shoot, I just... Aw. Okay, so we passed everybody. Let's go back. Let's see what Woo!
The monster hunter has arrived, I see.
What is this gosh dang voice acting?
This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed.
Let me guess. We're gonna have to make him angry or sad or get pissed at us very mad, and he's gonna start chasing us, and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm
We
going to die.
believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however.
Ooh.
Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death.
Bet, make him mad. I told you, bro.
Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III,
Of course,
has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs. There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
Oh, let's go. We're going to that. Why do I keep clicking that, bro? Oh, yeah, we're going there. We gotta get that egg, broskies. Scrap. More scrap, any more scrap, any more scrap. Okay. Ooh, alright. Who the flip is texting me? I guess so many texts now, just random texts. While mining the farthest tunnel, we broke through a wall into a large cavern. There is something strange here, and we don't know what it is. We're requesting Mr. Warren visit to the southern mine site at his earliest convenience to give his further instructions. Eugene! You know where Eugene used to work. Did Eugene help him? No way. Eugene was secretly a bad person. Win Q or E? Ooh. Chat. This is kind of sick though, bro. He did a good job. Who's whistling?
No visitors allowed!
Shoot, my bad. Oh, shoot! A weave. Run. Ooh, give me that egg, it's green. We out. Tip. Go. I'm trying to, bro. Oh, he's fast. Oh, shoot! Catch me if you can, bro. Shoot me, bro. I'm gonna zig you out. Oh, you can't touch me. Oh, that's what I thought, Misty. Ooh. Get on. Come here. Yeah, bro, get out of here. We just got the first gate, guys. Let's go. Alright. One of the 3 eggs required to activate the temple and summon Charles to a mortal fight. How many of these? 3? That's fire. So we got the first egg out of 3. So I think we're gonna end off the episode there and get like 1 egg per episode or a video. So if you guys want to see more, like, subscribe, tell me down in the comments. And if you guys made it this far, type cupcake. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.